Good morning, everyone. Imagine a soldier collapses on a ridge. Normally silent. Now you might think he would die, but within seconds, his exact vitals are monitored and an alert message is also sent to the nearest soldier possible and also to the central headquarters with his exact locations. So now you might think, is it even a real problem for soldiers to give them an alert message when they collapse or they are injured?
Yes, I think it is a real problem. You know, in the war of Kargil, over 500 soldiers gave their life for us.
500?
Yes.
And yeah, our very own Captain Hanifuddin and Major Mariappan Sarvanan died because of this problem. Because they were unable to communicate, lost in the war, and they were injured, and there was no evacuation process for them. And they died slowly on the war field. Now I know that you have many questions in you. But let me first clarify that this is only a mock prototype. But we have worked a lot on the real product, on its specifications. Like for example, let us take a very simple question. What if this particular band breaks during war?
First of all, there is no chance that it will break during the war because the case is made up of titanium.
And the strap which we are using is made up of Wolverine fluid, which heals itself after breakage or anything.
What if during war the opponent country uses a jammer or tries to hack a band?
Well, that's a very good question. But there is no scope of hacking because our network is a decentralized network, which means our band works on a decentralized network. That means it can't be hacked. Second point, or like you said, jammer. So our band has various channels to emit frequency waves. So a jammer can detect one wave at a time. But if there is a jammer, our band shifts to the different channel and bursts out short frequency waves. So there is no chance that the jammer could jam our frequency signals.
So, with this chart, now comes the main question. Is it even feasible and what is the cost of the final product?
That's a very good question. So, the cost of the final product would be 30,000 per band. Now, you might think it is not feasible and very expensive because 30,000 rupees per band. But let me tell you, I have researched a lot on this topic and I found that India's total defense budget is approximately 7 lakh crore rupees and number of active soldiers 1.5 million. And to cover every soldier in India, it would take 4,500 crores. And if we compare the values, 4,500 crores with 7 lakh crores, which is the total defense budget, it is just 0.64% of the total defense budget.